So today we are going to do exercise 5I, subtract the following. In previous exercise also we have did the subtraction, but this subtraction are little bit different from which we did in previous exercises. See, the first number is 43 and the second number is 26. When we will see the digit in ones place in first number is 3 and digit in ones place in second number is 6, which is in which 3 is smaller than 6. We cannot subtract bigger digit from the smaller. So what has to be done here? We have to take the 1 from the next number or the digit in tens place. In tens place there is 4. So we have to borrow 1 from 4. See here, I am writing here 3 is there already and we have taken 1 from 4. So it will become now 13. And here it will be 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now we have to subtract the number 6 from 13. Now it is possible to subtract 6 from 13 because 13 is greater than 6. Okay, so we are going to subtract 13 minus 6. You can do with finger lines also, but here I am doing with the stroke 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, and we have to subtract 6. So we will cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is left. It means 13 minus 6 is 7. Now we are considering only 13. We should not consider this 3. Now 3 minus 2. See how? 1, 2, 3 and cut this 2. What is left? 1 is left. So 43 minus 26 is 17. See again here the same situation. 3 is smaller than 7. So what we have to do? We have to take or borrow 1 from the next number which is in tens place. When we are borrowing, it will again become 13. And here it will be 5. When we will cut one stroke from 6, it will be 5. Okay. Now 13 minus 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now we have to cut 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This 7 will be cut. Then how much is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is left. Okay. Then 5 minus 2. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and cut 2. 1, 2, 3 is left. Okay. So when we will subtract 27 from 63, we will got 36. See here, one more I am taking. Here the same condition. 5 is smaller than 8. So what we have to do? You all know. We have to take 1 from 7. So it will become 15. Okay. Now we are not considering this 5. We have to consider 15. And 7 minus 1, just number before the 7 is 6. Okay. We just leave this number and see this. Now 15 minus 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have to subtract 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remaining you have to count is 7. And 6 minus 4. See 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 is right. Okay. Are you understand? See, we are taking one more example. Here it is 51. 1 is smaller than 7. So again we have to take 1 from the next number or the number nearest. We are going to borrow. So it will become 11 and here it will be 4. Okay. How 4? 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. Now 11 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Till here we have to cross. What is left? 1, 2, 3, 4 is left. Then 4 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. What is left? 2 is left. Okay. See one more example. 7 minus 9, again 7 is smaller than 9, then what we have to do, we have to take 1 from the tens place digit. Okay, so when we are taking 1, it will become 17, and in place of 3 it will be 2. Now 17 minus 7. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So we have to subtract 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 till here. Okay, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 is left, so we have to write here 8. And 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. See here, again 0 is less than 5, so we have to borrow from 4. When we are taking 1 from 4, it will become 10. Now 10 minus 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5. Then 1 2 3 4 5. Cut this and count the remaining is 5. What is here is 3 now. 1 2 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, are you understand this? So we are going to do the next exercise, that is 5J. Solve the following word problem. You need to add or subtract. So here we need to find addition or subtraction question. Okay, by reading this story problem. There are 85 goats in a field. Out of these, 33 are shifted to another place. How many goats are left? When the question is asking about the left, that time you must have to subtract the number. Total number of goats were 85. So we will write 8 and 5 will be here, and 33 shifted to another place. They have went from this area. So now we have to subtract 5 minus 3. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3. How much left? 1 2 is left. Okay. And now we are subtracting 8 minus 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 4 5 6 7. Now 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is left. It means 52 goats are left. Okay. Now there are 25 students in class 1. How many students? 25. 6 new students have been admitted to this. More student has came. When the more student will come anywhere, the number of students will increase. When we are talking about the increasing, so you have to add. How many students are there in the class now? Now we have to find out how many total number of students. When the question is asking to find the total number of students, in that case we have to add the number. How many new students? 6 new students. Before it was 26. Now 5 plus 6. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 1 will be here and 2 will be carried. You know that 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3. So 31, now the 31 student in the class. Ria is 10 years old. Her mother is 35 years old. By how many years is Ria's mother older than her? We have to find the difference between the age of Ria and her mother. Ria is 10-year-old and her mother is 35. 35 is a greater number, so we will write 35 first. Then 1, 0, 10. Ria says 5 minus 0 will remain 5 only, and 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. See the next. At a railway station, 57 people were waiting in a queue. 24 more people joined them. It means they have added with this. Okay, before there were 57 passengers and now it is become more. 24 has came and joined the 57. So we have to find, the question is how many people were waiting in all. When the question is asking about the all, we have to add the number. Okay, this is subtraction, this is addition, this is also subtracted. So 7 plus 4. After 7 we will count the 4. Okay, after 7 we will count 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11. One will be here and another one will be carried. Then 5, then we will count 2. 5, then 2, and then 1. 5, then 6, 7, 8. What is the answer? Is 81. 81 people all together are waiting in railway.